Joe, there's been a little bit of wobbling on the track. Shifted a little bit to the north this morning, but generally it's still on the same path towards the Big Island. It's, sometimes the track will include more of the Big Island as it is right now, and at other times it only includes the cone of uncertainty, the southern tip of the Big Island. As you can see, the outer edges of the storm is now starting to reach the Big Island, especially with those clouds. I think tonight we'll definitely see more of those directly related rain bands moving into the Hilo side of the Big Island. Latest estimate of distance from the islands, 275 miles east-southeast of South Point, 475 miles southeast of Honolulu. As you can see, we do have the hurricane warning, as Joe mentioned, for the Big Island, tropical storm warning for Maui County, and a tropical storm watch. What did increase today were two things. Number one, the forward motion went from 12 miles per hour to 14 miles per hour. Obviously, we want it to be a faster storm so that it can get in and out of our area as quickly as possible. The wind speeds went up from last night up to about 65 miles per hour. That was expected, but it's a gradual increase in wind speeds. Gusts are at 270 miles per hour. Now look at the forecast cone of uncertainty. Somewhere between the southeast ocean area of the Big Island through South Point, it goes from 75 miles per hour down to about 70 miles per hour. That is really not much of a change. It's just a change in the type of category this storm is. It goes from a Category 1 to a strong tropical storm. The impacts are still going to be the same, but the good news is that if you look at these vertical lines, those are lines that are differentiating 12-hour increments. And it appears that after it passes South Point, it has the potential to speed up even more. It covers more distance within a 12-hour time span as it moves south of the islands and continues to move away from the state in the coming days. So that is the good news. There are some signs that it may speed up. That is always advantageous to the islands. But this is the latest track. We start with 75-mile-per-hour winds just to the southeast of the Big Island, down to about 65, and well after it passes Kauai, it is expected to once again become a Category 1 system. I'm going to show you two wet weather scenarios. Number one is this one. We've used this one a lot. This goes out farther in time. You see already by tomorrow morning, we have that heavy rain for the Big Island, but that's not the meat and potatoes of the storm. That comes later Saturday, 1 p.m., 7 p.m. It gets even worse, 11 p.m. Overnight, Sunday, it starts to ease. We have some heavier showers now entering Maui County and eventually just south of Oahu and through Kauai on Sunday, late Sunday. Here's another scenario. Again, it's showing a very similar situation. Heavy rain for the interior and windward sides of the Big Island, moving into Kona. Eventually, Kona is not by all means safe from any of this wet weather. It's just going to get it later. As you can see now, 8 p.m. on Saturday, still a very, very heavy rain situation. And then eventually that moves on into Maui County, Oahu. This is now 7 a.m. on Sunday morning. We've got heavy showers for Oahu and Maui County. And then for Kauai, we'll see that kicking in Sunday afternoon, maybe Sunday evening or so. Projected rainfall totals, max, okay, this is max. 25 inches of rain for the Hilo side of the Big Island, 12 for East Maui, and then everywhere else roughly could see up to 8 inches of rain. That includes Oahu, Kauai, Molokai, as well as Lanai and Kailua Kona on the Big Island. As far as the winds, you heard the mayor mention it a little bit earlier, and we've been talking about this since yesterday. This is the tropical storm wind field. It's massive. It goes 275 miles out from the center. And interestingly enough, you see that red dot? That red dot is the wind field for hurricane force winds. We're talking 74 and higher. It's a small area. It's really about the tropical storm winds that the vast majority of the state will feel. That being said, that red dot set to graze South Point and Na'alehu, and then eventually vanish as the system becomes a tropical storm once again. We are seeing heavier showers for the Big Island, and at this point, rain bands have now come within the reach of the radars. These radars go out about 200 to 250 miles. Those are the thunderstorm tops. We're already seeing heavy rain for the Hilo side of the Big Island. Dry right now with Kauai's projected winds to be 25 to 30 miles per hour with gusts to 55 miles per hour. On Oahu, slightly more, 20 to 35, maybe 40, gusts to 55 miles per hour. Windward showers unrelated to this storm system. Maui County, 25 to 40 with gusts to 60 miles per hour. And the Big Island is already seeing heavier showers moving through with, again, the main outer bands moving through tonight. Winds 30 to 70 miles per hour with gusts to 85 miles per hour. Generally speaking, big picture, this is what we're dealing with. Very heavy rain that can bring extreme and catastrophic flooding. A tropical storm or hurricane force winds, generally 39 to 75, gusts to 85. And storm surge, along with a swell, could jump east shore surf up to 20 feet.